In this video, I want to talk about probably the most successful project I ever had a chance to invest in, Crypto.com. I will talk about how my Crypto.com portfolio grew by 500%, what are the reasons behind it, and what makes Crypto.com stand out from most worthless altcoins. But before we begin, I would like to announce the winner of the PSU I played in my previous video. Sorry guys, it took me a little bit longer than I expected because I've been very busy with my primary job in real estate. So, the lucky winner is Sergio Chung. Sergio, I commented on your post down below. Please reply to my comment to get the details on how to collect your prize. I hope you're really excited. Congratulations! And I want to say thank you all for supporting the channel with your likes and comments. So let's begin! In my last video, I already talked about Crypto.com, Crypto.com debit card, and its benefits and perks. But since then, the price of the coin went up by 500% for the last month only. And it happened at the very peak of the market. Plus, when the market started to contract, the Crypto.com coin kept going up. So I was wondering what could cause such an enormous increase in value, and started doing my own research. So this is what we have here. Crypto.com announced we will be spending an enormous amount of money on advertising. Just wait and listen. $100 million to advertise its products and services globally, while hiring the greatest Hollywood actor Matt Damon for their commercial isn't cheap. Crypto.com reportedly paid $700 million for the naming rights to the Staples Center in Los Angeles for the next 20 years. It is more than 5 times what Staples had paid for the same right in 1999. And can you imagine that Staples Center consists of approximately 25,000 seats? And all of them will be seeing the advertisement for every single concert or sports competition? Another great partnership was signed in July. Crypto paid $175 million to plaster its name on UFC posters and merch for 10 years. I personally strongly believe these are very important partnerships that show Crypto's commitment to pursuing its strategic goals and building its brand name. All this is great news. The team, investors, us. But let's stop right here for a moment and see what the possible next step could be. What is the next target goal without getting into technical analysis? Can you make 100x on the Crypto.com project yet? Let's start with a few simple evaluations. The crypto market yet very similar. It doesn't work as a stock market. There is no way to calculate the fair market value of the coin, since there are no tangible assets to base on. However, we are like amateur investors, so to speak holders, already aware of the few basic concepts, such as total coin supply. So what is the total coin supply for Crypto.com? Let's compare it to other coins. Crypto.com has about 25 billion coins in circulating supply, plus 30 billion in total supply. It is a tremendous amount of coins. Just to compare with Bitcoin, total coins ever minted and produced are estimated 18.8 million. Ethereum estimated 118.5 million. Binance 166.8 million coins. However, projects like Shiba have a total coin supply of over 589 trillion of coins. That's why the price is so low. I believe that low price makes us think that coins somehow can cost $1, $10, $100, maybe $500 or even $10,000 per coin. But is it possible that Crypto.com should go up to $10,000? To answer these questions, let's get into the total coin market cap. For Crypto.com, it's 18 billion on the moment of the recording this video, and the price of 70 cents. Decent amount, but is it really that huge? Let's compare. Bitcoin has 1.5 trillion market cap, Ethereum is 500 billion, and most important, Binance and Shiba have 100 billion and 23 billion market caps respectively. So for us to get 5x on the coin for the current price of 70 cents, the total market value must be of Binance level. I think it is a huge milestone. Possible? Of course, yes. But I think it will really take some time to get the project to that level. Let's do the simple math. 25 billion of Crypto.com coins in circulating supply times the price of 70 cents as of today, December 2nd, equals $17.5 billion in market cap. Let me tell you some facts about the Binance so you can better compare these two. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that is currently the largest exchange in the world in terms of the daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. It was founded in 2017 and is registered in the Cayman Islands. Binance was founded by Changpeng Zhao, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. By the way, Changpeng is the wealthiest native Chinese billionaire with a net worth of $80 billion. Binance was initially based in China, but later moved its headquarters out of China following the Chinese government's increasing regulation of cryptocurrency. Binance is currently under investigation by both the United States Department of Justice and the Internal Revenue Services on allegations of money laundering and tax offenses. The UK Financial Conduct Authority ordered Binance to stop all regulated activity in the United Kingdom in June 2021. What is our potential? What can we get out of Crypto.com, and what are the milestones the team can achieve to attract more potential investors? Let's try to answer these questions. I think that the strongest aspect of Crypto.com is a team. The entire management brings a lot to the table with their experience from various backgrounds and expertise from the IT sector to innovative finance. Crypto.com is a community with 10 million active users. I think it is a lot. The company has over 2,500 employees and operates in 90 countries. Every team has a vivid and rich experience, and I think this brings confidence that the project is being worked on by professionals. But unfortunately, these days it is very easy to be part of the fraudulent or scammed coin or application. You must be very careful and try to get as much information as possible before making any rash decision. Even if your close friends or family members advising you to go all in, please take your time and evaluate the information on your own. In the end, it is your money and you are the one who is investing. Personally, I believe Crypto.com has a great opportunity to take a fair amount of the market share of crypto. Please leave a comment below. What do you think about Crypto.com? If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe. I'll be back next week with my new video.